Pristine Genuine Log Cabin. Head to the mountains and step into this stunning 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom log cabin. Cabin has approximately 1,170 square feet and sits on a perfectly sized lot that is approximately 0.38 acre. Lot size is perfect, not too much maintenance but enough room to design the yard of your dreams. Home has been updated and has laminate wood floors and carpet in the bedrooms, airtight wood burning stove, open beam ceilings, double pane windows and updated appliances. Off of the kitchen is a large laundry room with cabinets for storage and access to the front deck. This home offers a stunning large front sun deck. This cabin is move-in ready and waiting for you to make this your home your own. Come and enjoy this wonderful community in the mountains. Own your piece of heaven today.